Hello my loves, so I am back with another hair video. I know you guys, I know at this point am having a lot of fun changing my hair color here and there. Now I decided that I want to do a dark color this time, but I didn't want to do anything permanent, so I did grab Manic again, and yeah, it's a semi-permanent hair color. And what I love about this hair color cream is that, you know, since it's semi-permanent, it's not really damaging to your hair. It washes out, and as you can see, my hair has grown out pretty much a lot. In the back of my head, I have already where it's fading to my blonde that I had before. So I figured, since we are in fall, I want something like burgundy red. There's really no name for it except like a burgundy-ish red, because I don't know how it's gonna come out. So what I have here is Manic's Vampire Red, as you can see here. And I also grabbed Manic Purple Haze. And now what I'm going to be doing is, usually for my type of hair, my hair is pretty thick, 8 ounces. So each of these bottles are 4 ounces each. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm putting the whole thing of each inside this bowl, and I'm going to be mixing them together. Now, as I said, the first one is called Vampire Red, and the second one is called Purple Haze. As you can see, this one is a dark red color and this one is a dark purple. So when I mix these together, I'm hoping that I'm going to be getting a burgundy reddish. Now, I don't know what color I'm going to end up with because I do have pink undertone. The best thing I would say, if I want to have more of this color like to come out, I would say I would want to be like maybe more of a natural color, like maybe a blonde or brown, but I didn't want to use any hair color remover. Now the reason why I didn't want to use any hair color remover is because it's not good, it dries out your hair, and I've used it. I've used bleach on my hair before, and I've used hair color removers, and I just don't want to do it right now. So I don't mind having the pink under, because, you know, if you guys have followed me since day one, you guys know that my favorite color is pink, so I don't mind it at all. If you want to follow this my hair video, I am not licensed. I have said this a lot, I always put it down here. It's a huge disclaimer that I am not licensed at all. I am not a professional at hair coloring. I have been learning on myself, and it's come out pretty decent. And yeah, so just a huge disclaimer, if you want to follow this video, follow it at your own risk. And anywho, so what you will need is a bowl. This bowl is just for my kitchen, nothing special about it. And then I grabbed a spoon. I don't like to use the painting brush because I always end up like, you know, just using my hands and putting it through. But something really important that you will need are gloves. These gloves came in a package from a previous clear hair color from the Dollar Tree. So you can find gloves at the Dollar Tree for $1. And the reason why is because if you do get these hair dyes, even though they are you know, they wash out, they will stain your skin. So just an FYI, use gloves. If you want to find out and see how my hair came out and what I did, basically, please go ahead and keep watching. Okay my love, so in this clip I'm just showing you that I used both of the jars. I mixed them all together in that one bowl, and I'm basically showing you up close in the camera what the color looks like and how I am applying it onto my hair using my gloves. If you have any questions at all, please go ahead and comment down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. Okay, my love, so this short clip is showing you the results of my hair, of when I colored it on the same exact day. I didn't get to record a video talking with my results because I had some plans and had to leave pretty quickly, but I wanted you guys to see how the color actually looked on the day that I colored it. It came out. I do have to be honest with you guys, this is not freshly like dyed. This is actually, it's been about a week and a half since I dyed my hair, so I have washed my hair about at least 3 times already. And when I do wash my hair, I noticed that the color bleeds out a lot. But as you can see, it is still super vibrant. You can still see that it is a burgundy color. I wanted to mention to you guys, as you can see, my roots have been growing out for, you know, my hair's growing out for quite some time, ever since I have bleached it the last time. So you can see here where it starts. Now, when I did apply the hair dye, I had some left over. So I just wanted to make sure, you know, that my whole hair is completely saturated and covered. So what I did is that I put it even on my roots, and I started massaging my head. So the reason why I'm letting you guys know is because if you have natural dark hair like mine up here, you can see that there's no way that the color is going to grab on dark hair. You have to have at least a light brown to blonde hair to be able to use, you know, the Manic, any type of semi-permanent hair color. If you want it to show up on your hair, you have to have your hair lightened up, because remember, when you're using the permanent hair colors, let's say the ones that you buy, you know, at the drugstore, it always brings a developer, and that's kind of like it's basically like peroxide or whatever, and it lightens your hair, and that's why you can see it. So with these hair dyes, the Manic, they are way safer. You don't need any developer or anything like that, but unfortunately you do need to have lighter hair for it to show up. As I mentioned, these colors do wash out depending on how much you wash your hair. If you're a person that washes your hair every single day, the hair color is gonna wash out a lot quicker. Also, I've heard that if you wash your hair with cold water, your hair will last longer, the color. But I honestly can't stand that. I have to do it with really hot water, and anywho, it has lasted for me. So as you guys know already, if you have any questions at all, I'm here to help you. I'm so happy, you guys. I wanted to thank you all so much, because you guys have commented so much under my video of when I bleach my hair with the Manic bleach kit, and also on the video where I colored my hair blue. And I just love it. I love how you guys are asking me questions, you're giving me your input and what you thought, and I love replying back to you guys. So I just wanna, you know, keep reminding you guys that I do this because I truly enjoy it, and I want to feel like I'm helping people. So just seeing you guys asking me questions and, you know, engaging with me is really cool. So thank you so much, and don't be shy at all. And yeah, that's about it. If you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also that little bell notifications button. If you press on that, it'll let you know each and every time that I upload a video. And yeah, that's about it. As you guys know, I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for clicking on my video and for being with me on my hair journey. My hair journey craziness. It's so funny because now, like, Even at the doctor's office, the secretary told me, you know what, I'm gonna call you, one of them told me she was gonna call me Rainbow, and the other one told me she was gonna call me Skittles, because every time that I do go, they see me with different hair colors. But anyways, I just thought that was kind of funny. But so yeah, so let me stop, because if not, I'm gonna keep talking and talking and talking. As you guys always know, I love you guys so much. Thank you for your support. I hope you guys have an amazing day, an amazing week, month, year. Stay positive. I love you guys so much. Mwah, besitos always to you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mama. Mama. La mama? And mommy? Mommy? I love you.